Good morning. Hello, everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the reproduction in lower plant. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a biological process in which an organism gives rise to young ones or their own kind. The organism, vast number of organisms or living things are existing on the earth. Each and every organism has a definite lifespan. Each and every organism survive and a certain period of time. Each and every organism complete their lifespan within a certain period of time. So, what is the lifespan? The period between the natural birth to the natural death. So the period between the natural birth to natural death is called lifespan. So there are now vast number of organisms are living on the earth. For example, butterflies survive about 1 to 2 weeks only, while the tortoise survive up to 100 to 150 years. So this is about the lifespan. The lifespan of organism varies. That is, each organism has a different lifespan. After completing their lifespan, the organism dies or natural death occurs. So reproduction, each individual survive up to a certain period of time, and after that they dies. So what is the importance of reproduction? Reproduction maintains the continuity of life or species. So vast number of organisms are existing on the earth. When you observe different kinds of living things, their continuity is maintained through the reproduction. So when you observe various kinds of individuals, their method of reproduction falls into two categories. That is, number one, asexual reproduction, and another method, that is sexual reproduction. Now, we are going to study the asexual method of reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? During asexual reproduction, there is no fusion of gametes. The reproduction takes place without fusion of gametes, and it involves only one parent. So what do you mean by gametes? What do you mean by gametes? These gametes are nothing but reproductive cells or sex cells. The two types of gametes are involved in the sexual reproduction. While in case of asexual reproduction, there is no fusion of gamete and there is no formation of gamete. So reproduction takes place without fusion of gamete is called asexual reproduction. It involves only one parent. That is, in plants, or in case of lower or higher plants, only one parent is involved in asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction produces a progeny. Asexual reproduction results into a large number of individuals. So, individuals produced during asexual reproduction are exactly similar to their parent, and they are morphologically and morphologically and genetically similar to their parent. So morphologically means externally they are similar to their parent, or genetically that means the genetic constitution of organisms resulted after asexual reproduction are similar to their parent. Means progeny resulted after asexual reproduction is morphologically and genetically similar, and such morphologically and genetically similar individuals are called clones. Means the asexual reproduction results into clones. The progeny resulted after asexual reproduction or individual produced during asexual reproduction, that is, are morphologically genetically similar, and such individuals which are produced after asexual reproduction are called clones. Means they are exactly similar to their parent. So what is the sexual reproduction? The reproduction takes place with the fusion of gametes. Sexual reproduction involves fusion of gametes, and during this sexual reproduction some important events are occurring, that is formation of gamete, fusion of gamete, that is fertilization, and certain events whatever are also occurring before the fertilization, that is called pre-fertilization event, and some events occurring after the fertilization, that is called such events are called post fertilization events. So sexual reproduction is a process of reproduction where the gametes are fused and zygote is formed. So there is a formation of zygote. Zygote is a diploid cell whatever resulted after the fusion of male and female gametes. For example, these are gametes. So for example, this is a egg, or this one is sperm. When these male and female gametes are fused and these male and female gametes are haploid, that is the number of chromosomes in these gametes are half as compared to their parental cell. So gametogenesis is the process of formation of gamete, and gametes are two types, that is male gamete and female gamete. Male gamete is also called sperm and female gamete is called egg or ovum. When these gametes are formed during the gametogenesis and after formation of gamete, these gametes are fused. During the fusion of gamete, male and female gamete, during the fusion of male and female gamete, whatever their nuclei are fused to form a diploid structure called zygote. So what is the zygote? It is the fusion product of male and female gamete produced from male and female parent respectively. So gametes are haploid reproductive cells involved in the sexual reproduction. So fusion of gamete is one of the important feature of sexual reproduction. So what is sexual reproduction? The reproduction takes place with the fusion of gamete, and sexual reproduction involves one or two parents. So one parent, that is called male parent, and another parent is called female parent. both parent produces a gamete, that is male parent produce male gamete and female parent produce female gamete. So this is about the definition of sexual reproduction. Now we are going to differentiate. We are now going to study the difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves single parent. Only one parent is involved. Single parent. It involves single parent. Asexual reproduction involves single parent, while sexual reproduction involves one or two parents. It involves one or two parents. So what do you mean by parent? Male parent and female parent. These two parents are involved. Male parent is also, that is a male parent, that is also called father, and female parent is also called mother. So in asexual reproduction, single parent is involved. Single parent, while sexual reproduction involves two or one or two parents. In asexual reproduction, there is no formation of, no fusion of gamete, and there is no formation of gamete. That means asexual reproduction, that is during asexual reproduction, gametes are not involved. That means there is no formation of gamete. No formation of gamete. While during the sexual reproduction, male and female gametes are formed. During the sexual reproduction, male and female gametes are formed. These male and female gametes are formed during the sexual reproduction. The male gamete is formed from the male parent, while the female gamete is formed from the female parent. Male gamete is male and female gametes are involved in the sexual reproduction, and the formation of male and female gamete takes place during the sexual reproduction. Similarly, asexual reproduction, in asexual reproduction there is no fusion of gamete, or fertilization never occurs. So there is no fusion of gamete during the asexual reproduction. There is no fusion of gamete. No fusion of gamete. In sexual reproduction, there is a fusion of gamete, or in this process, or it involves, or this process involves fusion of gametes. During the asexual reproductions, During asexual reproduction, variations or different individuals produced during asexual reproduction are exactly similar, or such individuals are called clone of individuals or progeny. Individuals are exactly similar to their parent and are called clones. In during sexual reproduction, in offsprings are differing from their parent. Progeny resulted during sexual reproduction or individuals produced during sexual reproduction are called offsprings. Offsprings are differing from their parent. During asexual reproduction, variations means differences. New variations are not produced during asexual reproduction. So, in asexual reproduction, there is no mixing of. There is no mixing of. There is no mixing of genes. During sexual reproduction, there is mixing of genes. There is mixing of. There is mixing of genes from two different parents. There is mixing of genes. Asexual due to the mixing of genes in sexual reproduction, variations are produced. So, during the asexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, new variations are not produced. New variations. New variations are not found. During sexual reproduction, new variations are produced. Why new variations are produced during sexual reproduction? Because there is a mixing of genes. Offsprings produced during the sexual reproduction are resulted after the fusion of gametes. These gametes are produced from male and female parents respectively, and due to the fusion of gametes, there is a mixing of genes, and due to the mixing of genes, new variations are produced. So during asexual reproduction, only mitosis cell division occurs. Only mitosis. In sexual reproduction, it involves meiosis and mitosis. So what is meiosis and mitosis? So meiosis is a cell division where the chromosomes are reduced to half. That means the gametes resulted after meiosis Gametogenesis involves meiosis, that is a one type of cell division. So gamete receives the half of the chromosomes from the parental cell. For example, you know the gametes, that is a egg or sperm. This egg is produced from the female parent and the sperm is produced from the male parent. So these gametes receive the half of the chromosomes from the parental cell. Suppose this is parental cell of female gamete and parental cell of male gamete. So these parental cells are diploid. From the parental cell, the gametes are formed, that is egg or sperm. Egg or sperms are the gametes or reproductive cells resulted after meiosis. So meiosis is a type of cell division where it produces haploid gametes. So meiosis is an essential step during the gamete formation. Male and female gametes are formed after the meiosis. And the mitosis process, that is another type of cell division where the cells are only multiplied and their number of chromosomes remain same. During asexual reproduction, less energy is required. It requires less energy, as well as it also requires less energy as well as resources. Less energy and resources. So asexual reproduction involves less energy. Asexual reproduction requires less energy and less energy and less energy means because asexual reproduction takes place without fusion of gamete. So there is no formation of gamete and there is no fusion of gamete. The reproduction involves only one parent, so less energy is required.